So I'm going to take a piece this big, set that to the side. Okay, I'm cutting off that silver strip at the top, making sure I don't have any of that on this piece of foil. Now, not all the foils have that strip, it's just that if you see it, you want to trim it off. It's a manufacturing thing. It's like having a selvage at the edge of a piece of fabric. It's just what it is. So just be aware of it, and if it's on a piece that you receive, trim it off. All right, so we're going to take another strip here. Let's move things a little bit because things are getting a little slidey. I tried